Hi, this is Stacy with WTI. If you are an espresso lover, then you appreciate the need to have good tools to make your espresso shots. This WDT tool from KNODOS is going to give you the perfect shots every time. This distribution tool is made of a beautiful graphite metal. It's very light and easy to use. The ergonomic handle really allows you to stir and aerate your espresso before you pull your shots. And I love the fine needles that it's made with. Obviously very thoughtfully designed, and they really make such a difference when you go to make your espresso. The company included extra metal prongs in case you need to replace them. They also included a beautiful box. So if you have a coffee lover in your life, this is a beautiful gift. They also included a super sweet little keychain that looks like the perfect barista tool, the portafilter. This distribution tool will fit with any size portafilter, and you can easily stir your espresso beans before pulling those shots. So it really makes such a difference, not only in the appearance, but also the taste. You get a smoother espresso shot. If you love your espresso like I do, then you really want to be able to have the perfect shots. Grab a tool like this. You will really love the difference that it makes. It's wonderful when a company makes an espresso tool that is well thought out, easy to use, and makes the perfect accessory for your espresso needs. And that's my point of view.